Good afternoon. It's 13:20 hours, 20 minutes past 1 on Friday, 17th of April 2020. So this is the lemon rind here. So these two lemon rinds are going into my fruit juice, my immunity booster juice today. I've got 2 slices of pineapple there, as well as the skin of 1 slice of pineapple, the pineapple that went to the fruit salad. I have honeydew melon rind here from 1 slice of honeydew, which was went into my fruit salad, and I have 1 rather large jicama, which I've peeled and cut up into bits here. So, and in addition to those ingredients for my immunity booster juice, I'm going to put the rest of the lemon. So I have 2/3 of a lemon here, together with the flesh. They haven't been squeezed. I've got 1 key lime here, together with the skin and rind. I've got 1 piece of turmeric here, and a large piece of ginger, which I've cut into half. Okay, yesterday I realized the taste profile was affected by putting too much ginger, so I'm putting a lot less today. Okay. So this is my juice today. I've managed to make about 800 ml. I've poured 250 ml in this glass. I haven't put any black pepper or white pepper because I thought it might clash with the sweetness of the honeydew, the jicama, and the pineapple. So I'm gonna taste it for the first time now and tell you how it goes. Wow, that's a power drink. It's hot. There's too much lemon and lime. Okay, that's definitely the dominant taste. There's no taste of pineapple or honeydew at all. The jicama basically is very subtle taste, so I wasn't expecting any taste from there. There's a slight bitterness from either the lemon or the lime, which is okay. for me because I'm quite used to it, but I think I put way too much lemon or lime rind because I've got the rind of one whole lemon as well as one whole lime, key lime, as well as one whole key lime in there. But the lime plays very well against the ginger, and it overrides any turmeric taste, so it can't taste any turmeric at all. So it's just the dominant taste is the lime and lemon, a slight bitterness, and then you can taste a little bit of the ginger in that. So anyway, with the ginger and the turmeric, I get lots of polyphenols, and from the pineapple and honeydew, some vitamin C. The jicama has inulin, which is an analog of insulin. So if you're diabetic, it just makes it easier for your body to produce insulin, because inulin basically provides the building blocks for the body to make insulin. You won't get an insulin overdose because these will be broken down to the constituent amino acids in your tummy and then rebuilt into insulin by your own body. So the body knows how much to make and in what quantity, so you won't get an overdose. Unlike if you take ready-made insulin, then you'll have a different effect on your body, especially if you inject it into your bloodstream. Okay, so that's my juice for today, 250 ml. I have 800 minus 250 in here, about 550 or so. So I'm gonna keep this in the fridge for later consumption. So since it's just past 1:30 now, I'm going to drink another glass at 2:30 and then another glass every hour until I finish this. Okay, so that's my juice for today, April 17th, Friday 2020.